Welcome. In this training video, you're going to learn how to create a simple NodePress JS plugin. And let's get started. Right now, this is our NodePress JS website. It has two posts, 1 and 2. If you look at this currently, all the hyperlinks in here are blue by default. What we want to do, create a plugin in which when we activate it, all the hyperlinks in the post, they will turn from blue to red. Let's learn how to do that. So I have a folder here on my desktop that I created. I named this change hyperlink color. In order for you to create a NodePress JS plugin, you would need to create a package.json file. And let me open that up. And in the package.json file, it needs to have a few of the objects that it needs, the NodePress.js looks for. One of them is being the plugin name. So you start with name and whatever text you want to put it here. So for this particular video, I just put it in change hyperlink text color. And for description, you can put whatever description you want to put in there. But the most important part of the plugin is the plugin file name. This is where you put in. So by default, what NodePress looks for is, let me go in here. So it looks for a JS file that is in the folder, wherever that might be in your folder, in your plugin folder. You can name that file to be whatever you want, XYZ, change color, or whatever your heart desire. So you put that in the same folder where your package.json file is at. And the next one is the version number. You can name this to be whatever you want. And the author name, obviously your name goes in here, but for this tutorial, I'm putting my name in there. And the author URL. And this could be just your standard URL or wherever you want people to go to when they click on the author URL. So let's open up the change color. So in here, it's just very basic. All it does is use a jQuery and check to see first. Let's walk through it. So we open up the jQuery ready to make sure the DOM is ready to be manipulated. And then the next thing what I check to see is, see if it's div, which is a np underscore post underscore content. If that div exists, then anything within that div, I'm using a jQuery each function. So this is the whole element. So document, div, post div, and a tag. It's going to cycle through all those a tags. And anytime it finds it, it's going to change the color from blue to red or whatever the default color is. So let me do this. I'm going to minimize this and then I'm going to zip up this little package here. I should say plugin. So here's my little plugin right here. So I'm going to open up my Node.js website and then go under plugins, install, and then click on new plugin. And from here, navigate down to wherever my new plugin is stored at. In this case, it's on my desktop. And there it is. I'll open this up. It has been uploaded. If I want to look at it, I'll click on view plugins. And there it is. And at the moment, if I refresh this page, this color, the hyperlink, is still blue. So all I have to do is change the color, just activate it. Just click on the status bar, select status, just click on activate it. Now the plugin has been activated because it's under the status column. It says activate. And now if I refresh this page, and like voila, it has changed the color from blue to red. This is just very simple plugin, but this just gives you an idea of how to create a very simple plugin. In the future video, we are going to be going over how to create a plugin which it goes to your Node.js website and grabs the data from the server, uses the data, brings it back on the client side, so that way you can use other way of manipulating the DOM, whether it'll be your Google AdWare plugin or it'll be Google Analytics or anything else associated with the data that is stored in your database that you want to use that information on the front end side.